Hello friends, welcome to How Toy Solve YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I request you to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video for help to others. Here in this video, I learned 2 different methods to reset AirPods Pro, to fix the connectivity issues. Don't waste your time, let's start. If your AirPods Pro unable to find and scan on iPhone or Mac, first hard reset. Unlock your iPhone or keep your AirPods in front of your Mac. Open the cap of AirPods Pro and both the left and right AirPods should be inside the battery case. Now press and hold back button until white LED flashlight blinking. At the same time your AirPods Pro shown on iPhone screen card. Follow the on-screen instruction to connect again. Now the second method is Forgot Airpods Pro from the Apple device. If your AirPods Pro pairing is failed and unable to connect with other devices, then forgot it from first old iOS or Mac device and try to connect. Follow on screen to Forgot AirPods Pro. Open Settings app on iPhone. Now scroll to Bluetooth. Here's the list of Bluetooth device that paired or not under the My Devices list. Tap on the information button of AirPods Pro and just tap on Forgot this device. At the same time you will get a pop-up to remove it from all the devices on your iCloud account. So, your Apple Watch, Mac and iPad will not sync automatically from iCloud. That's it.